everyone, this is Chlorine. Today I will introduce our 2-liter 4-cavity blow molding machine and its working principle. Let's go! First, the preforms will pass through the feeding and sorting system. After the preforms pass through the slide way, they one by one go into the preform sorting tray. Then, the preforms enter the oven for heating and burning. Next, a servo variable pitch system drives the pin to detach the preforms from heating head, feeding them one by one into the gritter. Through the lateral movement gritter, they enter the mold, where air is blown in, ultimately forming a bottle.